Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to cast your mobile screen to Windows 11 laptop. So guys, before starting, if you're new on channel, please subscribe to our channel, like the video. Let's start the video. So friends, first of all you have to go to in search here and you have to search for this keyword wireless. Just search for this wireless display. Fine. Now you will find this wireless display app already. Just click on it. This window will be open with your name, device name. Now open your mobile phone, and this is Android phone. So now just need to scroll down and go to click on this cast option from here. Now click on agree if you didn't use it yet. Now you will find your devices here. You just need to tap on your device, and guys, boom, our mobile screen is on PC. It's very easy to use it and it's very straightforward. You don't have to install any application, third-party application, to cast a mobile screen, and it is not that great because it won't give you that great FPS, but it can help you for it can be very useful when you don't want to install application, third-party application. Usually in a third-party application there's also a lag, but if you want to use it without any application, you can use this option. And let me know in comment section what is your feedback on this. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.